Okay, good morning everyone. In this section we will discuss about the factors which affect climate. Previous lectures I have discussed about the climate, weather, difference between the climate and weather, and different features of the climate. So, what factors which affect climates? So there are many factors. First, temperature. Second, rainfall. Third, snow. Heat. So temperature and rainfall are two most important factors which determine the climate at a particular place. Climate is the average temperature of long periods, approx 30 years, 25 years, 35 years, but weather is the very average temperature of very short periods. So there are two things, temperature and rainfall. These are two most important factors which determine the climate at a place. Second one, another factor which affects the climate at a place is altitude. Altitude means hilly region areas. So a place at a higher altitude will have a cooler climate than another place on plants or plains, flat ground. This is why hill station always having the getting the low temperature and have a cool climate. For example, any hill stations or temperatures in coastal areas neither very high or nor very low. So these factors, first temperature, rainfall, altitude, and we will now compare the climate of, these are the temperature between the climate and weathers. So we will take here two places for comparing the about the climates. First Srinagar and second Tiruvananthapuram. So before we do that, we should know how to find the mean temperature for a month. So mean temperature for a month means, suppose we will make a chart here and we will mention here temperature for every days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 30, and minimum temperature and maximum temperature. Minimum temperature and maximum temperature, daily minimum temperature and daily maximum temperature, and you have to add both temperatures and divide by 2, then we will find average temperature of a day. Average temperature of a day. So by this process you will find average temperature of a month. So about here are two places, Srinagar and Tiruvananthapuram. How will you compare the average climate and their temperatures and different things? Srinagar, the temperature around the year are neither very low nor very high, because Srinagar is situated as a low area, plain area. So in general we can say Jammu and Kashmir has a moderately hot and wet climate. It is like a temperature climate. And in Tiruvananthapuram, the temperature around the year are quite high. Also the rainfall is very high, thus the Tiruvananthapuram has a very hot and wet climate. So in general we can say that Kerala state has a very hot and wet climate. Actually Kerala has a typical tropical climate. Typical tropical climate means for two lectures we have discussed about there are different regions of the earth: temperate zone, polar region, tropical climate. These are. So Rajasthan state lies in the western region of India. So in the Rajasthan, the temperature is very high during the most part of the year. So it is very hot. So the climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry. So there are three places: Srinagar, Tiruvananthapuram and Rajasthan. The climate of Northeast India is wet. Northeast India, climate of Northeast India is wet. So about the climates, you should make sure climate is not the same as the weather. Weather is the day-to-day climate condition of the atmosphere at a place, whereas climate is the average temperature weather pattern at a place taken over a long period, around 30 years, 25 years, like this. So these are the effects of the climate: temperature and rainfall. Affected by the temperature and rainfall determine the climate at a place. Second factor of the climate affected with the altitude. And third, another factors which affect the climate is the location with respect of the area. So these are the factors which affect of climate. After this, next we will discuss about the adaptation, climate and adaptation. Adaptation means absorbing capacity, bearable capacity of the any animals or any persons. So what is the climate and adaptation? Climate and adaptation climate and adaptation. Climate has a great effect on all the living organisms, and a living organism can survive in a particular habitat only. Means all animals cannot survive all places. If its body is suited to the climate of that habitat, means other animals cannot be survived if their bodies cannot be suited of their locations or their climate. So animals and plants develop special feature in their body or develop certain habits to survive in their habits. So the presence of specific body features which enable an animal or a plant to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation is a particular habitat which presence of specific body features which enable an animal or a plant to live and survive for their life. These are known as the adaptation. Every animals, all plants cannot be adaptation of all climate on the whole earth. In adaptation, about adaptation is called Ankul in Hindi. In Hindi word adaptation is known as the Ankul. So I will take here two examples. First, polar regions and tropical rainforests. You should know this is a earth. So in above coast, here North Pole and it is South Pole. Around the North Pole, part of earth is known as the polar region.